Hi everyone. Today we're diving into Workleap, an all-in-one HR software that's designed to simplify employee management, enhance productivity, and improve company culture. But is it really worth it? Stick around as we explore its key features, pros, cons, and help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. When you land on Workleap, you'll notice that the platform is divided into several key sections. Office Vibe. This module helps boost employee engagement through surveys, feedback, and insights that keep your team connected and thriving. LMS by Workleap, a learning management system that makes training and upskilling employees seamless with customizable courses and progress tracking. Workleap Skills. This feature focuses on tracking and developing employee skill sets to ensure continuous growth. Onboarding. Simplify the onboarding process by automating tasks and helping new hires integrate smoothly into your company's workflow. Recognition, a fantastic feature that encourages peer-to-peer recognition and fosters a culture of appreciation. Pros. Here's what makes Workleap stand out. User-friendly interface. The platform is intuitive, making it easy for both HR managers and employees to navigate. Customizable workflows. Tailor workflows to match your company's unique processes. Comprehensive analytics. Gain deep insights into employee engagement, performance, and growth. Seamless integrations. Easily integrates with popular tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams. Cons. However, there are a few downsides. Pricing can be high. Smaller businesses might find the pricing a bit steep compared to other HR tools. Learning curve for advanced features. While the basics are easy, mastering all the advanced functionalities may take some time. Limited customization for reports. Some users report that the reporting features could offer more customization options. So is Workleap worth it? If you're looking for an all-in-one HR solution that enhances employee engagement, simplifies learning, and streamlines the onboarding process, then yes, Workleap is definitely a solid investment. However, if you're a small business on a tight budget or need highly customizable reporting, you may want to explore other options. That's a wrap on our Workleap review. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Workleap or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more software reviews. See you in the next one.